Hello everyone. Today I will start with accounting cycle which was left in last video. So our accounting cycle start with transaction. Transaction means business transactions which can be measured in terms of money. Accounting cycle start with transaction. First of all, we need to identify the financial transaction. After that, transactions are recorded in the books of original entry. And there are two types of books. First is journal and books of original entry. Transactions are transferred to journal and books of original entry. If business is doing on small scale and transactions are less, then we record transaction first of all in journal. But if the size of business is large, then we need to maintain subsidiary books or original entry books. We can call it cash book, purchase book, sale book, purchase return, sale return, and journal proper. Clear? Transactions are first of all recorded in journal or books of original entry. If size of business is small, then we record first of all in journal. If the size of business is large, then transactions are first of all recorded in books of original entry. Clear? After journal or books of original entry, transactions are classified. You remembered in features classification was there. After journal and books of original entry, transactions are classified into groups and that is known as ledger. Clear? From journal or from books, balances are classified into groups. Transactions are classified into group which is known as ledger. After ledger, from the balances of ledger, trial balance is prepared. Clear? From the balances of ledger, trial balance is prepared, and after trial balance, our final accounts, trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet is prepared. Clear? These are firm's final accounts. Clear? Transactions, journal, books of original entry, then these are transferred to ledger, then trial balance is prepared, and after trial balance, trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet is prepared. Clear? Then see next term, that is bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping, it is an art of recording business transaction in books. It is primary stage of accounting and can be performed by persons having limited knowledge. Primary means starting stage. Bookkeeping is the starting stage of accounting where we record the transactions. It includes 4 activities. Number 1, identifying financial nature transactions from amongst various transactions. There are so many transactions in business where all transaction cannot be measured in terms of money. So first of all, we need to identifying financial nature transaction which we have to record in accounting books. We cannot record each and every transaction. Only we have to identify those transactions which are of financial nature, which can be measured in terms of money. For example, fighting between 2 employees cannot be recorded in the accounting books. It is not of financial nature. Clear? Then measuring above identified transaction in terms of money. After that, after identification, we have to measure the above transaction in terms of money. For example, here we purchase 5 chairs. It is a financial nature transaction. Now, the cost of 5 chairs means measuring in terms of money. Suppose cost of 5 chairs are 7,500. Then it is measuring in terms of money. Then third step of bookkeeping is recording the above transaction in the books of original entry. Original entry means journal or subsidiary books, as we have seen in accounting cycle. Recording the transaction in original entry books means journal or subsidiary books, and last, classify them into ledger. Till ledger activities come under bookkeeping. Clear? Next term is accounting. It starts where bookkeeping ends. Clear? Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends, and it includes summarizing the transaction in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. After classification of transaction, there is summarizing of transaction in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Means we have to find out profit and loss of the firm and we have to make balance sheet. Then second step is giving meaningful information from above to interested parties. Means conclude the result from the profit and loss and balance sheet. And third step is communicating the important information to interested parties. And these activities come under accounting. Clear? Next term is accountancy. Accountancy, it is a body of knowledge having certain rules and principles to be followed. These principles are to be followed while doing bookkeeping and accounting. It tells us how to prepare books of accounts and how to communicate result to interested parties. Clear? So accountancy contains all rules and principles on which bookkeeping and accounting is based. It can also be called theory and practice of accounting. Clear? Accountancy contains all rules and principles on which our bookkeeping and accounting is based, and it can also be called theory and practice of accounting. Clear? So today we have done accounting cycle, bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Learn it and write it in your notebooks. One more thing, you have to write the difference between bookkeeping and accounting, and second, write difference between accounting and accountancy. Clear? Difference between bookkeeping and accounting you have to write, and difference between accounting and accountancy you have to write in your notebooks. Thank you.